Chapter 12, Our Earth and its Neighbours. We will explore the Earth, the shape of the Earth, the Sun, phases of the Moon, Indian astronomers, the planets, the Earth spins, the Moon, the stars. The Earth. The Earth has its neighbour. They are the Sun, Moon and stars. We see them in the sky. The Earth is the third planet of the solar system. The Earth is made up of land, water and air. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is water and 1/4 is land. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This is called atmosphere. The planets. Planets are the celestial bodies that move around the Sun in fixed path. The invisible paths along with which planets move around the Sun are called orbits. The Sun has 8 planets. The Sun and its 8 planets together are called solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The 8 planets according to the increasing distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These planets do not have their own light. They are visible because the light of the Sun falls on them. The shape of the Earth. The Earth looks flat, but actually it is round in shape. Hundreds of years ago, sailors had proved that the Earth is round. They started sailing from a certain point, sailed on, and reached the same point where they had started. This can happen only if the path is circular. Photographs taken on the space trips also show the Earth is round. American astronaut Neil Armstrong, who landed on the Moon in 1969, saw that the Moon appears round from the Moon. The Earth appears like a ball when seen from the Moon. Did you know? On 21 July 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the Moon. The Earth spins. Why do we not feel the Earth spins? This is because we and everything on the Earth spin along with it. The Earth has 2 movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation. The Earth spins on its fixed imaginary axis from west to east. This movement is called rotation of the Earth. The Earth's axis is slightly tilted. It completes one rotation in 24 hours. Day and night occurs due to rotation of the Earth. Revolution. The Earth also revolves around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. This movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. The revolution of the Earth causes seasons. The Sun. The Sun is a star. It is a huge ball of extremely hot gases. It is the nearest star to the Earth and has its own light. The heat and the light of the Sun are the ultimate sources of energy on Earth. The temperature on the Sun's surface is about 5,400 degrees Celsius. On a very hot day, the temperature on the Earth can go up to 50 degrees Celsius. The Moon. The Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. It is our nearest neighbor in space. The Moon completes one rotation on its axis in 27 days, 7 hours and 43 minutes. It takes the same time to complete one revolution around the Earth. The Moon does not have its own light and shines only because it reflects the light of the Sun. Phases of the Moon. The Moon changes from a new moon, which can hardly be seen, to full moon and then back to a new moon in about 1/3 days. The stars. Stars are the huge heavenly bodies that have a light of their own. Some stars form patterns in the sky. A group of stars arranged in a pattern is called constellation. Some of the constellations are Ursa Major, the Great Bear, Scorpius, Scorpion, Orion, Hunter and Leo, Lion. Indian astronomers. Astronomers are people who study the Sun, the Moon, the stars and the planet. About 1500 years ago, an Indian astronomer, Aryabhat, explained the earth is round and rotates on its axis. He also said that the moon has no light of its own but shines when lit by sunlight. Varamhira and Bhaskara were two other great Indian astronomers of ancient India. Bhaskar discovered a method to work out how planets move. Knowledge tree. Madhava of Sangamargarma was an Indian mathematician, astronomer of the Middle Ages. He was from the town of Sangamargarma in Kerala and is known to be the founder of Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics. World Bank. Planets, heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun in their orbit, a fixed path in which a planet moves around the sun or a satellite revolves around a planet. Rotation, the movement of the earth on its own axis. Revolution, the movement of earth around the sun. Astronomer, people who study objects in the sky. Constellation, patterns formed by a group of stars in the sky.